Hello YouTube, this is Dazza the Cameraman. Today is Thursday, March the 3rd, 2016. About a week ago I uploaded a video, Flat Earth Night Sun Debunked, DITRH, where we debunked a video claiming to show the flat Earth Sun at night as seen from a helium balloon in the upper atmosphere. Today we look at another video by DITRH, and that is this video called NASA using Greenscreen to fake International Space Station footage. In this video, DITRH says that while filming war criminal and mass murderer George Bush Sr.'s visit to NASA's control center, the cameraman caught a screen with astronaut and traitor Tim Peake being filmed in front of a green screen to fake another ISS scene. Let's take a look at a clip from the video. In the background we can see astronaut Tim Peake spinning a green ball around on a thread as he stands in front of a grid. According to DITRH, this grid is in fact a Chromakey screen used for replacing the background with another image. A Chromakey screen is usually one color, either blue or green. It could also be another color. So what is this grid being used for in the background? Further on in the video we see this annotation saying the blue grid screen is used to fake video and add in computer generated images like the green ball magically orbiting Tim's hand. At the end of the video we see DITRH labeling Tim Peake and NASA as a fraud. But what is the truth behind this video? Let's take a look. This is the National Space Academy website with information about the Principia mission. From December 2015 until May 2016, the first ever British ESA, European Space Agency, astronaut Tim Peake will be living and working on the International Space Station as part of Expedition 46-47. His mission is called Principia and will include work on a wide variety of education projects as well as the work he will be carrying out for ESA in collaboration with other space agencies on the ISS. If we scroll down we can see a series of images of equipment that has been used as part of the Principia mission. And as we step through these, what do we find? Yes, there is that green ball, and the caption underneath reads, Tim will spin the ball on a thread, which is not easy to do in microgravity, and let it go to demonstrate Newton's first law of motion. So far I've not been able to track down the actual video of Tim Peake doing that demonstration, but let's have a look at another video.
Welcome to the International Space Station. I am ESA astronaut Alexander Gerst.
Today we're going to talk about Rosetta, ESA's comet-chasing spacecraft, and some of the unique challenges it faces.
In this video by the European Space Agency, ESA astronaut Alexander Gerst gives this demonstration of the Philae lander landing on a comet.
An earplug will represent Philae. This is not to scale, but it is smaller and has significantly less mass than a sphere. We are using Velcro to simulate Philae's harpoons and ice screws, and this has been attached to the earplug. For our model of Philae to successfully land on the comet, it needs to touch down on the chosen site, the other half of the Velcro on the sphere. To see how challenging it will be for Philae to touch down on the comet, let's have a go at the experiment. I'm going to throw Philae slowly towards the comet. For this first demonstration, we have the easiest possible setup. The comet is not rotating or moving relative to me, therefore the landing site is always visible.
So we can clearly see from this demonstration that the screen behind is a grid used for motion tracking. It is an X and Y axis grid so that we can see the movement of objects against the background. This is not a Chromakey screen or green screen as claimed by DITRH. It is clearly used for tracking motion, as we see in this video.
Now, let's add even more complexity for the last demonstration. As Rosetta will be moving around the comet, it means that the nucleus of the comet will also be moving, or translating relative to the spacecraft. Therefore, this time the comet is rotating and translating.
So who was a real fraud here? Let's take a closer look. Let's scroll down to the comments underneath the video. You'll see that I posted this comment here saying, well, that is not a Chromakey background anyway. Chromakey is one color, usually green, Greenscreen, or blue, not two different colors as we see here. Chromakey works by replacing the chosen color, one color, with another scene. It looks to me like the astronaut was using a grid background to help in demonstrating motion. Another video taken out of context by the conspiracy nuts and liars. Now you'll notice that my comment has 18 thumbs up. But where are all the comments underneath? Where are all the replies? Well, let's open my comment in a new incognito window, which means I'll be signed out when we view it. And let's scroll down and look for that comment. Well, that's funny, because now it's gone. In other words, I have been blocked and my comments have been deleted. That's right, DeepInsideTheRabbitHole has blocked me. I believe they call that censorship and suppression of facts. Here are screenshots of the comments before they were deleted by DITRH. You can step through and pause the video and read these screenshots at your leisure. But as you can see from these comments, a number of people actually provided the same information, that the screen was actually used for motion tracking against the background. DeepInsideTheRabbitHole has deleted this entire comment thread in order to suppress the truth about his video. So once again we have to ask, who is the fraud here? Who is the liar? Well, as they say, follow the money. And as we scroll down to the description underneath DeepInsideTheRabbitHole's video, we see order international fake station tees and hoodies here, and there is a link. This is the website of DeepInsideTheRabbitHole, unraveling deceptions and infusing them with personal dysfunction and humor. We discuss mind-blowing truths that flip the unawakened person's world upside down and infuse it with humor so you don't jump off a bridge. It seems that to these guys, the truth is just a joke. Well, if you like to be lied to and deceived, then Deep in the Rabbit Hole might be just the YouTube channel for you. I'd like to thank the team on my Facebook discussion page, Voices of Reason to Explain X, or VORTEX, for their research into this video. If you'd like to join VORTEX, then you'll find a link in the description area. Thank you for watching.